1inch is a DeFi aggregator that finds swaps with the best rates and has access to the biggest market liquidity. Its algorithm splits orders among multiple DEXs in one single transaction. How to use the 1inch web app. To start trading at app.1inch.io, you need to connect your wallet. But first, you need to add some ETH to your wallet. After this, you'll be able to use the complete 1inch functionality and enjoy the best possible exchange rates. On 1inch.io, you have access to liquidity from a constantly growing number of platforms and different token standards. You can receive governance rewards by staking your 1inch tokens. By participating in the governance, you will vote on major protocol parameters and contribute to the 1inch protocols and increase your earnings. Copy the referral link from your account and share it with whomever you want. Start receiving referral rewards. Start using 1inch today.